Hey guys, Olight sent me this cute little clip light called the Oclip, and it's got 3 different flashlights on it, and they have different levels of intensity, which is pretty cool. This particular one I'm going to be doing underneath here, so you just hold it down. I'm going to get it on the brightest, and it's got this cute, convenient clip. Just going to clip it here. It's very versatile. That's what I get underneath. I'm trying to figure out where this leak is. You see it coming from there. You can see it's coming from up there too. You guys check it out. Oclip from Olight. I'll leave a description and a link below. Thanks a lot.